Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Satyapriya Kannan. Today we are going to see about what really happens in Ahmedabad flight tragedy, one of the India's biggest aviation disaster. June 12th, 2025. Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport, just a normal day, and a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner prepares for takeoff. But just 5 minutes later, lives were forever changed. Flight AI-171, destined for London Gatwick, carried 230 passengers and 12 crew. It departed at 1:38 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Captain Sumit Sabharwal, with over 8,200 hours of experience, led the flight alongside First Officer Clive Kundar, who had around 1,100 hours of flying time. Moments after takeoff, the plane lost altitude. A mayday call was made, but shortly after, it smashed into a building at BJ Medical College's hostel in Magani Nagar. There were over 240 people aboard. The crash ignited a devastating fire. Tragically, 241 on board perished. Another 28 died on the ground, bringing the toll to at least 269 fatalities. Nearly 60 others were injured. Miraculously, one man survived, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, who was seated at 11A. He was British Indian and suffered chest, eye, and leg injuries. Emergency crews arrived within minutes. Witnesses saw terrifying scenes: smoke, fire, torn steel. Students inside the hostel scrambled, some leapt to safety. DGCA, with assistance from Boeing, NTSB, UK's AAIB, and US FAA, has launched a full probe. Initial data shows the aircraft stalled around 625 feet, then plunged. World leaders, including Prime Minister Modi and UK Prime Minister Starmer, expressed deep sorrow. The tragedy of Flight AI-171 is a sober reminder aviation is human lives. Safety protocols and transparent investigations matter. If this story moved you, drop a heart, share your thoughts below, and let's honor those we lost by staying informed. I'm Satyapriya Kannan. Thank you for watching. With you we remember, report, reflect.